Guys, I only have this one fidget, and that girl over there is a Charlie D'Amelio fan page, and she has so many fidgets. So I'm going to scam her. I'm going to say that Charlie D'Amelio touches, so let's do it. Trading Charlie D'Amelio marble nest. And by the way, she touched it, so, you know, that's super cool. Oh my gosh, renegade. Charlie, yeah. Wait, what? Did you just say Charlie D'Amelio touched that? Let me offer! What's your offer? Here, have all my fidgets. There you go. Fine, take them. Take them all. Doesn't matter. I don't care. Nah. Take them all. I don't care about them anymore. Yay. Oh my gosh, guys, she just gave me all of her fidgets. She has a lot. All right, this is such a successful trade. Let's see what else we can trade today. Guys, I just saw this Addison Rae fan page, and I can't believe I'm finding so many. So I'm going to scam her with this monkey noodle, since I don't like it and it's my least favorite color. So let's go scam her. Trading neon yellow monkey noodle. Addison Rae touched it, just so you know. Anybody have any offers? Shake that fluffy to get a burn. Wait, what? Did you just say Addison Rae touched that? A measly monkey noodle? It better be good because, I mean, Addison Rae touched this and she's really cool and, you know, amazing. So what's your offer? Here, 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 here. I don't care about my fidgets anymore. Take them all. Take them. Come on, take them. Take them and make them in the pot and make them taste hot. Come on. I mean, you're still really under, but here. Gosh. Oh, one of my Fiji's red. OMG. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited about this. Yay, yay, my monkey noodle. Gosh, that's crazy. Anyways, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. You know, I've been recording a lot today, but that's okay. Bye-bye.